Certainly. Here's a detailed description of the 10 most famous mountains in the Alps and Pyrenees in France, highlighting their unique features and significance. Alps 1. Mont Blanc, 4,808 meters. Location, Greyans Alps. Significance. The highest mountain in Western Europe, Mont Blanc is a symbol of mountaineering and outdoor adventure. It straddles the border between France and Italy, offering breathtaking views and challenging climbs. The Mont Blanc Massif is a haven for hikers, climbers, and skiers. Activities: mountaineering, skiing, hiking, paragliding. 2. Aiguille du Dreux, 3,754 meters. Location: Mont Blanc Massif. Significance: known for its striking granite spire, Aiguille du Dreux is a favorite among rock climbers. Its north face is considered one of the 6 great north faces of the Alps, presenting formidable climbing challenges. Activities: rock climbing, mountaineering, photography. 3. Barre des Écrins, 102 meters. Location: Dauphiné Alps. Significance: the southernmost 4,000-meter peak in the Alps, Barre des Écrins is the highest point in the Écrins National Park. It's renowned for its rugged beauty and relatively isolated location. Activities: mountaineering, hiking, skiing, ice climbing. 4. La Meije, 3,984 meters. Location: Dauphiné Alps. Significance: known for its dramatic summit and challenging climbs, La Meije is often regarded as one of the most beautiful peaks in the Alps. Its rugged ridges and steep faces make it a legendary destination for experienced climbers. Activities: mountaineering, rock climbing, skiing. 5. Aiguille Verte, 122 meters. Location: Mont Blanc Massif. Significance: famous for its challenging climbs, Aiguille Verte is a dream for many alpinists. The mountain offers stunning views and a variety of climbing routes, including the notorious Couturier Couloir. Activities: mountaineering, ice climbing, skiing. 6. Dent du Géant, 4,013 meters. Location: Mont Blanc Massif. Significance: its name, meaning giant's tooth, reflects its distinctive shape. The peak is popular among climbers for its technical routes and remarkable prominence. Activities: rock climbing, mountaineering. 7. Le Grand Joras, 4,208 meters. Location: Mont Blanc Massif. Significance: known for its formidable north face, part of the trilogy of difficult north faces in the Alps, Grand Joras is an iconic peak. It is highly esteemed in the climbing community. Activities: mountaineering, ice climbing. Pyrenees 8. Pic du Midi d'Ossau, 2,884 meters. Location: French Pyrenees. Significance: with its striking silhouette and isolated prominence, Pic du Midi d'Ossau is a symbol of the Pyrenees. It's a former volcano and is known for its challenging ascent. Activities: hiking, rock climbing, photography. The 9. Vignemale, 3,298 meters. Location: Central Pyrenees. Significance: the highest peak of the French Pyrenees, Vignemale is famous for its glaciers and steep faces. It's a popular destination for mountaineers and offers a variety of routes to the summit. Activities: mountaineering, hiking, ice climbing. 10. Pic du Canigou, 2,784 meters. Location: Eastern Pyrenees. Significance: revered as a sacred mountain, Pic du Canigou is a prominent peak with cultural and historical significance. It offers panoramic views and is a popular pilgrimage site. Activities: hiking, mountaineering, cultural exploration. These mountains represent the best of what the French Alps and Pyrenees have to offer. They are not only significant in terms of their physical attributes, but also hold cultural and historical importance, making them revered destinations for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Each peak offers unique challenges and experiences, from the highest peak in Western Europe, Mont Blanc, to the culturally significant Pic du Canigou.